Question number 1. The displacement in meter of a body varies with the time t in second as y is equal to t square minus t minus 2. Then the displacement is 0 for a positive of t equal to. In this problem we have given the displacement of the particle which is varies with the equation which is given y is equal to t square minus t minus 2. Then we have to calculate the time when the displacement is 0. Option A is 1 second, option B is 2 second, option C is 3 second, option D is 4 second. So let us see how we find the time. Explanation. We have given displacement and the equation for that is y is equal to t square minus t minus 2. We need to find when y is equal to 0. So put here y is equal to 0, this becomes t square minus t minus 2 equal to 0. Now split this middle term, t square minus 2t plus t minus 2 is equal to 0. By taking common from here t is common, taken outside, we have left with here t and here minus 2, here t minus 2 equal to 0. So here also t minus 2 is common, so taken outside, here we left with t and here v1 equal to 0. Either t minus 2 is equal to 0 or t plus 1 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 2 and t is equal to minus 1. So we take the positive value, so time is equal to 2 seconds. So B is the correct option. Time is 2 seconds. Question number 2. A boy starts from a point A, travel to a point B at a distance of 3 km from A and return to A. If he takes 2 hours to do so, his speed is. Option A is given 3 km per hour, option B is given 0, option C is given 2 km per hour and option D is given 1.5 km per hour. So let us see how we calculate speed with explanation. Explanation as given. The boy starts from point A and reach point B after covering some distance, that is 3 km. From B, he come back to the point A. Also he cover a distance of 3 km. So distance covered by the boy is equal to 3 plus 3. This is equal to 6 km. And the time taken for this, he take a time 2 hours. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is 6, time is 2. This is equal to 2 3 the 6, 3 km per hours. So speed of the boy is 3 km per hours. So A is the correct option. The speed of the boy is 3 km per hours. Question number 3. A 180 meter long train is moving due east at a speed of 25 meter per second. A small bird is flying due south a little above the train with the speed of 5 meter per second. The time taken by the bird to cross the train is, first option A is 10 second, B 12 second, C 9 second, D 6 second. Now let us see how we calculate the time taken by the bird to cross the train with explanation. Explanation. According to question, the train moves towards north direction and a bird move opposite to the direction of train, that is towards the south direction, and let the speed of the train, that is v1 equal to 25 meter per second and speed of bird is v2 is equal to 5 meter per second. Now we are going to calculate the relative speed of the bird with respect to the train. Suppose that is capital B, this is equal to v2 minus v1. v2 is 5 minus and v1 taken as a negative 25 because it is opposite to the speed of bird. So this is equal to 5 minus into minus plus 25. This is equal to 30 meter per second. And we know that the length of train, that is S, is equal to 180 meter. Now speed of the bird, V is equal to distance upon time. Rearranging this, T is equal to D upon V. Distance is 180 over speed, relative velocity is 30. So 6 3 the 18. So time taken by the bird to cross the train is 6 seconds. So D option is the correct option. The time taken by the bird to cross the train is 6 seconds. Question number 4. A boy starts from a point A, travel to a point B at a distance of 1.5 kilometer and return to A. If he takes 1 hour to do so, his average velocity is option A 3 km per hour, option B 0, option C 1.5 km per hour, option D 2 km per hour. Explanation. The boy start moving from point A and reaches at point B. From B point he return back to the A points. So initial and final position of the y is same. So displacement is 0, because displacement is the length between initial and final position. So V average equal to displacement over time. So 0 over time taken by the y is 1 hour. So this is equal to 0. So average velocity of the y is 0 meter per second. So B is the correct option. Average velocity is 0. Question number 5. A boy starts from rest and travel with uniform acceleration on a straight line. If its velocity after making a displacement of 32 meter is 8 meter per second, its acceleration is A option 1 meter per second square, B option 2 meter per second square, C option 3 meter per second square, D option 4 meter per second square. Explanation. As in this problem we have given a body starts from rest, means its initial velocity, that is u equal to 0 meter per second, and it acquire a velocity of 8 meter per second after covering a displacement 32 meter. So final velocity is 8 meter per second, and displacement, that is S, is equal to 32 meter. Now we calculate here acceleration. So by using the relation v square minus u square equal to 2as, we are able to calculate the acceleration by putting the value here. V is 8 ka square, minus u is 0 ka square, equal to 2a multiply distance, that is 32. So 8 is the 64, equal to 0 ka square is 0. So 32 to the 64a, this implies a is equal to 64 over 64. This is equal to 1 meter per second square. So acceleration is 1 meter per second square. So A is the correct option, 1 meter per second square. Question number 6. Which of the following is the unit of velocity? Option A kilogram, option B meter, option C meter per second, option D second. We know that velocity, it is a ratio of displacement over time, and the unit of displacement is meter and time is second. So unit of velocity is meter per second. So C is the correct option. The unit of velocity is meter per second. Question number 7. A boy starts from rest and travel t second with uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. If the displacement made by it is 16 meter, the time of travel is option A 4 second, option B 3 second, option C 6 second, option D 8 second. Explanation. As the body start moving from rest, it means its initial velocity, that is u equal to 0 meter per second, and acquire acceleration, and it is given 2 meter per second, and distance is also given, that is 16 meter. Here in this problem we calculate the time. So by using the relation S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is 16, u is 0, multiply t plus half, acceleration is 2 t square. So this becomes 16 is equal to 0 multiply t 0. So here 2 cancel with 2, we left with t square. This implies t square is equal to 16 and t is equal to square root of 16. So we get t is equal to 4 seconds. So time is 4 seconds. A is the correct option. Time is 4 seconds. Question number 8. The dimensional formula for speed is A option T inverse, B option L T inverse, C option L inverse T inverse, D option L inverse T. We know that speed is equal to distance over time. Distance can be written as L and time can be written as T. So the formula is LT minus 1. So in this problem B is the correct option. Question number 9. The dimensional formula for velocity is A option LT, B option LT minus 1, C option L square T, D option L inverse T. We know that velocity is equal to displacement over time. Displacement, it is the case of length. It can be written as L and time is written as T. So dimension formula for velocity is L over T, that is LT inverse. So here B is the correct option, LT inverse. Question number 10. A boy starts from rest and travel with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. After t second, its velocity is 10 meter per second. Then t is A option 10 second, B option 5 second, C option 20 second, D option 6 second. Explanation. As the body starts from rest, means its initial velocity, that is u is equal to 0 meter per second, and travel with an acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Final velocity after time t is given, v is equal to 10 meter per second. Here we are going to calculate the time. So here we use the relation v is equal to u plus at. So rearrange this, at is equal to v minus u. So t is equal to v minus u over a. Now put the value of v is 10, u is 0 and a is 2. This is equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 seconds. B is the correct option. Time is 5 seconds.